Likhaing kamay, creative hands in English, representing artistry, skillful craftsmanship, and innovation. It refers to the capability to create, design, or craft items, often used to describe artisan DIY projects focusing on talent and innovation. This project started when my sister came to visit our place, and she talked to me, asking me, "Kuya, igawa mo din ako ng Sacred Heart like yours, but I wanted something bigger than your Sacred Heart and beautiful." So, nag-isip ako na something beautiful but bigger than my Sacred Heart in my altar. Kasi ako, once you said or asked me to do something and it was a project like this, big or small, nandun na yung naglalaro na kagad ang isip ko. I started creating a design, sa isip ko pa lang yun. Ganun ako. Once na may sinabi ka sa akin. And my first thought was to find a vintage frame. Swerte naman at madali ako nakakita, hindi ako nahirapan. Then, the following are the accessories that I will attach to the frame. I easily found materials using resin para sa mga carving design. Paint, of course, is included, along with the gold paint that brought out the design. Yung design niya may pagka-rustic to make it like antique, ika nga. And when I finished it, I was very happy with the result. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'll just make this as my birthday gift to her. Siguro akala niya na hindi ko na ito gagawin at nakalimutan ko na. But before I gave it to her, I went to the church, I took it to the priest, and I talked to Father Jim. I asked him, "Father, can you bless this Sacred Heart?" Mabilis naman ang sagot ni Father Jim ng, "Sure." Actually, I put a cover on it, a white cloth, and then when I open it, napawaw si Father. Masaya ako sa naging resulta. When I gave the Sacred Heart to my sister was so happy with my gift to